What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Give me a second here because I had to turn. I had the YouTube on trying to get ready for this. This was like a spare the moment thing. I've been getting a bunch of calls, and then one of my good friends called me about this, so I had to do the video. But house rules, welcome back to my channel. If you are already a subscriber or you're a normal viewer, if you are new, welcome to the channel, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. When you guys do that, that helps me reach more people like you and shows YouTube that you actually appreciate me doing videos like this, and they will keep showing them to the people that need to see them. So y'all can go ahead and do that for me. I would really, really appreciate it. You know, I like to check the sound. So if you can hear me, go ahead in the comments and tell me where you're listening from so that I know that this is working, and then we can get right to it and we're not missing anything because sound is not working. We want to make sure the sound is working. Also, if you are interested in learning how to make passive income, making money in your sleep, buy my book. You see that book there, right there? Yeah, buy that book. The link is in the description. Everything that I'm going to talk to you about today will be in the description. So all the links that you need to help you with this process will be in the description. So if you guys, I don't see any comments yet, but I see you guys out there watching. If you can hear me, put in the comments where you're watching from so that I know that this is working, and then we can get started because I don't want it to be messed up and y'all still asking me the same question. So let me see those comments, y'all. Let me see them. Let me see them. I don't see them yet. If I don't see them, then I'm not going to say what I need to say because I want to make sure that it is working. Can somebody? You can hear me. That's all I needed. You can hear me. Thank you, Moef. Let's get this started. So we are talking about the advanced child care tax credit, right? That is the credit that you get normally on your taxes when you file your taxes. But what they're going to be doing now is actually giving you an advance payment, right? So if you have children that is 5 and younger, you'll get up to $3,600. If you have children that are above 5, 6, and up to 17, then you will get up to $3,000. It will be a monthly payment. So if you're that person that has that child that's 5 and under, you're going to be getting $300 a month. And then if you are a person that has a child that is older than that, you're going to get $250 a month. So that is what that is. Many of you probably have already gotten this in the mail. I'm going to show you because I don't want to show my name, but it's a little letter from the IRS telling you you were eligible. About 36 million people were eligible and already automatically put in this program. So if you are eligible, you got one of these handy dandy letters that I got. You don't have to do anything. It's just letting you know that you are eligible, right? So let's talk about figures because we're going to talk a little bit about if you need to opt out, because that's the big question. Do I need to opt out? And if I need to opt out, how do I do it? So we'll talk about that. So if you are a single person, you file your taxes single, and your AGI, that is your adjusted gross income, that is not that number that you see on your W-2, which is your gross. That is after all of your deductions and credit, what that number goes to. So that is the number that they're going to be going off of. So if you are single and you made $75,000 or less, you're going to qualify for it. If you are head of household and you made $112 5 or less, you will qualify. And if you are married filing jointly, you will need to not make more than $150,000 for the year. So that is how you qualify. And this information is going to be information based off what the IRS has already have on you. So that's what they're going to be determining that on. Okay. So that is how they're going to determine it. That's what qualify you. This is not complicated, guys. And I don't want you guys to make it complicated. Okay. So let's talk about, do I need to opt out? The simple answer is probably not. But you will need to talk to your professional to find out if you need to opt out and why. But you need to be looking mainly at that gross, adjusted gross income. If you're making over that, then maybe you want to opt out so that you don't get too much money and then you have to pay it back later. Or you may want to opt out if you're a person and you're like, you know what, I like to get that lump sum of money during tax season because it, is planned for something that maybe your savings, maybe a vacation or something, and you want to try to make sure you don't spend that. Other than that, there's really no reason for you to opt out. I If it was me, I'm talking about me. I'm not talking about you. What would I do? If it was me, I will get my money now. Because we all know everything with tax season, it changes every year. It can be crazy, 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 crazy. And what happens if you don't get that tax return on time? At least you've already gotten the advance payment. That's a little cush for you. You already got your money. But what if you also have an offset and your taxes get taken away? Then you don't get that money. So I really don't know why you guys would stress yourself out about it. But if you have any questions, I want you to go ahead and drop it in the comments and I will try to answer them to the best of my ability. Let me show you guys the site that you need to go to. They do have a site for you if you want to see if you're eligible. And there's going to be a series of questions that they're going to ask you and all that stuff. Let me get this on the screen. See if I can make this a little bit bigger for you guys. If you can't see it, please let me know so I can figure out what I need to do. All right, so this is the website. The link is in the description for you. You will go to this website. It'll tell you how it works, all this, what you need, tell you all that. And then you click this button, check your eligibility. When you do that, it's going to ask you a lot of different questions. As you can see the general status and income, qualifying children, and then it will give you your results. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to put my information in there and I don't want to mess up the system. Another thing you need to know, the portal. If you are someone and say, you know what, P, I just want to opt out. I want my money and my lump sum, or hey, I'm making more. I'm making significantly more than I was making in 2020 and I don't want to be held liable for additional taxes if I can avoid it. So you might be that person. And then you're just going to go here to this link, and that link is in the description as well. And you click this link here. This is going to ask you for a lot more information. Let's go here. Show you. Let's see if I can sign in with ID me. Okay. When you click on that button there, no, we don't want to do that. I can't do that, y'all, because it's going to take you into my husband and our account, and I don't want to do that. But if you go here, you can create a new account if you don't already have an account with the IRS. We do, all my clients, y'all know I encourage y'all to get that done. You're going to need your Social Security number, ID, probably a credit card. With this, let me see if it's in the article for you guys. It's probably going to ask you for a little bit more information. Let me see. Somebody was telling me that it was asking for like credit cards for you to take a picture with your ID, like a selfie and stuff like that. So you want to figure out if you want to be doing all of that. I don't see where they're telling us what you would need, only here. But I'm sure to verify your identity, they're going to require a whole lot, probably even information on your children. So if you need that information, you want to go ahead and get that. But like I said, the answer to this question, should I opt out? The short answer for my recommendation, probably not. A lot of you guys' situation hasn't changed, so go ahead and get your money now. But that's just a recommendation. You don't have to do what I tell you to do. Talk to your professional, whoever does your taxes, or if you need a tax accountant, feel free to contact me. I would love to work with you. But you need to talk to a professional and talk to them about your situation and what you should be doing. But 9 times out of 10, most of you do not need to do anything and just go ahead and take the money. Now, what I will advise you to do is make sure that your bank account, your address, all that stuff is updated with the IRS so that you don't have any issues. Okay. And if you got that letter, they also give you a number where you can actually call them. So a lot of you guys are probably going to ask this question. I'm saving it for last. Well, P, when the hell do we get paid? Right? You want to know, when do we get paid? But first, before I tell you when you get paid, if you want to opt out and you don't want the money, you want to go ahead and do that by June 28th. It needs to be done by June 28th, which is, I believe, the third Thursday before the payment. Now, the first payment is set to go out on the 15th of July and every month until December. Now, if it's like a holiday or like a Saturday or something that 15th falls on, more than likely you'll get it the day before. So the start date for that will be July 13th. I'm giving y'all my son's birthday. July 15th is when the payments will go out. And that's it, y'all. That's all I got for y'all. Like I told y'all, this wasn't complicated. It's not complicated, guys. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you know every time that I'm going live. Once you turn that button on, YouTube is going to you're going to tell YouTube to let me know when P is going to drop these gems so that I can be in the loop. You are very, very welcome, Jay. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment. If you're watching a replay, just put replay, drop your comment in there. Y'all know I always give y'all my phone number, 850-692-9829. If you need to reach out to me, the best way to reach me is by texting me. You can call my office, but I am on vacation. If you've been following me for a long time, you know I'm on my 60-day vacation. I don't get off of vacation until July 18th. So you can call, leave a message, or whatever you may want to do, and I will get back with you. But I will be on my YouTube checking the comments and all that other stuff. But I'm really trying to enjoy my vacation because when I get back, I have to finish taxes. Yeah, y'all think tax season is over, but it's not. I have people that have extensions. I have people that still calling. So I still have to do taxes and a plethora of other things. So I'm just really, really trying to enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, and give it to someone that you know that may need this information. Don't forget, if you want to buy my book, the link is in the description, along with all of these other links. Also, I will be going live tomorrow. I know everybody always say that 60 days. Yes, I'm enjoying it. It used to be I used to do 6 months, 6 months on, 6 months off, but COVID messed a lot of us up, so we had to work extra hard, and I just needed my break some way, somehow. So we agreed with the 60 days, and that's what we're working with. But I will be going live tomorrow to talk to you guys about the PPP loan fraud. The more cases that come out, y'all know we've been doing the PPP loan fraud series, so we will be talking about that tomorrow at 11 a.m. And boy, this story right here gonna blow y'all mind. When I tell you it's gonna blow y'all mind, it's gonna blow y'all mind. So I'm gonna get out of here. If y'all have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll check them out later. As always, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for all your support. I really, really appreciate it. Honestly, words can't even describe how much I appreciate it, because if there were no you guys, there would be no me. So I really, really do appreciate you guys. And I need you guys more than you guys need me if you want to get real about it. So I'll see y'all later. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, or it was something that I did not answer and you were like, I was hoping she said this or she answered this question for me, drop it in the comments and I'll answer your question for you later. Peace out. Bye.